If you are watching this video to earn $20, $50 or $100, then you can leave my video now, because today I will not talk about $20, $50 or $100. Today I will talk about $2, $4 or max $5. This video for those friends who neither have computer nor laptop and just have mobile phone and internet facilities and can work for 2 to 3 hours a day. Who want to earn $2 to $5 a day, watch this video carefully, because I will tell you with all proof you can earn from mobile. You can earn $2 to $5 by doing very simple and easy tasks. The most important thing is the income will be transferred in your account immediately. To know how all this will happen, stay with me. Assalamu alaikum, I am Noor. Very warm welcome in my channel Earn with Noor. Today we discuss in this video how we earn $2 to $5 through Google. It is a very easy and simple way. Today I am gonna share with you authentic, trusted and valid website. There you just log in your ID and start working and start earning. In this video I am not talk about the much money like $20, $50 or $100. Today I am only talk about 2, 4 or max $5. Those friends who have not computer, laptop, only have mobile phone and internet facility, then they start through very easy process earn $2 to $5 daily. I think I'm never waste your more time. We go to computer screen and see how it start. If till yet you never subscribe my channel fast and press bell icon. So let's friend go on computer screen and see how it start. So friend, now we are on computer screen and here we need to open Google. So I'm open my Google here. So it is open Google and here we write our required website. Our required website is www.optimalbux.com. On this website you just log in your ID and start working and start good amount of earning. So I'm press enter. So on the top of the page the optimal box we show and I'm click on the optimal box. So friend, this is a website. There we start our earning and start our working. So total paid is on this website is 500,914 and total member is 71172857. So new member is today new member is a 487. So it means it is a very popular and trusted website. There almost every day come round about 500 member on this website and start their earning. After giving all information, we again come on original website. The registration is complete now and welcome to OptimalBux. So now we start our working on this website. Simply you need to click on earn money. So friend, after registration you need to just log in to account in this website. So after logging your account on this website, this dashboard you show on your computer or mobile. So you don't worry if you have not laptop, computer, so you just have mobile phone and internet facilities. So you need to log in this ID through mobile phone and start earning. So this is the dashboard friends. So my login ID and my balance is 000 and purchase balance and pending withdraw and etc, direct reference, return reference and earn as for and your clicks and your reference clicks. So this is the dashboard. So now you're thinking how we start earning on this website. So it is very easy. You just click on earn money and top of the bar you click on view advertisement and click on the view advertisement. So friend, this is the ad. We only watch this ad and start our earning on this website. So I'm click one of them. So here the left you show please wait. So friends, it is very easy, and just this bar is going green. When it's complete, then your watch history is start, and you click on the. So friends, uh, click the upside down picture. If we, so friends, we click. Thanks for watching. Now we complete our one. So if so friend, after daily target advertisement, you watch on this website and start earning. Very easy process. So here the more advertises we show, we, for example, we click one of them more. So friends, again you see the left side of the page, again the green bar starting. When its bar is complete, then uh, they again some option, give us some option, and if we click on the right, so click up, click the upside downside picture. So we click. Thanks for watching again. So we go on home, and so friends, see the 1.799, almost $0.25 I'm earn on two watch advertisement. So simply you log in your ID on this website, and after registration just you log in and start to watch advertise on this website and start earning. So it is a very easy and also very authentic and trusted platform. So friend, it is very easy. You, after you are complete your target, then at least when you at least reach $50 to $60 on this website, then you withdraw your money. Very easy process. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, then share my video and subscribe my channel. So till the next video, Allah Hafiz.